Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook cream of rice. To begin, gather your ingredients in a small saucepan. You will need 1 cup of water or milk and 1/4 cup of dry cream of rice cereal for 1 standard serving. This ratio provides a smooth, satisfying consistency, perfect for a quick breakfast. We are aiming for a comforting, warm meal in just a few minutes. Preparing your workspace and tools ensures a smooth cooking experience. Select a sturdy saucepan that is large enough to prevent boilovers, typically holding about 2 quarts. Have your 1 cup and 1/4 cup measuring tools ready for precise ingredient amounts. A small, flexible whisk is indispensable for stirring the cereal and achieving that perfectly smooth texture without any clumps. Now let us begin the cooking. Pour your 1 cup of water or milk into the saucepan and bring it to a vigorous boil over medium-high heat. Once bubbling, gradually sprinkle in the 1/4 cup of cream of rice, all while continuously whisking to prevent any lumps from forming. Keep whisking for approximately 30 seconds. You will notice it quickly thickens to your desired porridge-like consistency. The beauty of cream of rice is its adaptability. If your cereal appears too thick, simply stir in an extra 1 or 2 tablespoons of hot water or milk until it reaches your preferred consistency. For a heartier, denser texture, let it simmer gently for another 60 to 120 seconds, stirring occasionally. Remember to taste it warm and add a pinch of salt or a touch of sweetener if you like.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.